We have previously mentioned that VMTools is an important set of tools provided from VMware that enables our virtual operating system to perform significantly faster for graphics performance, to support shared folders with host operating system, and to support drag and drop operations and so on. There is a simpler and recommended way of installing VMTools starting from the September 2015. Let me show you how. Before typing our command, let's clear the screen by typing clear, and then type apt-get install open VMTools desktop Fuse. This will install two packages, Open VMTools Desktop and Fuse. Once the installation process completes, just reboot the system. Okay, now we have rebooted the system. Let's take a look what has changed. By the way, I can see terminal window icon here for some reason. So let's put it back. Type terminal, right click and add to favorites. Okay, press escape, and then you see the terminal window icon here. I move it right after this files, and then I click the terminal to open it. Okay, one of the features I like most about VMTools is it enables you to copy and paste directly from your host operating system to guest and vice versa. So, for example, let me type my sample text here, and I copied it, and I press Shift Insert to paste it. As you can see, it copied the text from the host. Likewise, you can copy the text from here and then paste it back. You will find this capability very useful in your penetration testing campaigns.